Hello and welcome. This is Ruby of R English. In this lesson, we're focusing on adjectives, but not just adjectives. It's about the comparison of adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe nouns. Adjectives can be used to compare two or more persons, animals, places, or things. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. These are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. To understand more about comparison of adjectives, let's see these examples. In the positive degree, the form of the adjective is not changed. Example, the adjective young. To form the comparative degree of the adjective young, er is added to the one-syllable adjective young. So, now, the adjective young will become younger. And then, the superlative degree of young is youngest. est is added to the word young to show its superlative degree. To make it clearer, I will use the adjective young in a sentence. Adrian is a young engineer. Rob is a younger engineer than Adrian. Kim is the youngest engineer among the brothers. Here is another example. This time, the adjective is wealthy. Wealthy is a 2-syllable adjective. Although wealthy is a 2-syllable adjective, we should not add er to make it comparative. Instead, we change y to I and then we add er. For example, Paul is a wealthy businessman. The adjective wealthy is a 2-word syllable, remember. Again, for 2-word syllable adjective like wealthy, er is added, but we need to change the ending letter y first to I before we add er. Let's read the second sentence now. Justin is a wealthier businessman than Paul. And the last sentence, Phil is the wealthiest businessman of them all. Take note that if the describing word ends in y, you need to change it first to I, then add est to make it superlative degree of adjective. Here is another word which is also a 2-word syllable adjective, famous. Again, there is no need to change its form since it is in the positive degree, just like in this sentence. Paul is a famous artist. To show the comparative degree of the adjective famous, we have to use the word more before the word famous. So it will read as more famous. And for the superlative degree, we use most. It will now become most famous. I hope you enjoy learning today. See you next time.